Hello, Mike Grady here from Business Fuel. I'm glad you decided to schedule a 30-minute consultation for your ClickFunnels free trial. Here's my disclaimer. I run a manufacturing company and a marketing agency, and both companies use ClickFunnels. My agency has many clients. All of our clients use ClickFunnels. That being said, ClickFunnels is a system that's very simple to use. Once it's set up and once you have some experience using it, it's very easy to use. My goal for your consultation is to, one, guide you through what to do first so you can get started quickly. Also, I want to give you someone to talk to because you will have questions. So, down below, answer the questions so that I know what you're trying to do. What would be the time you would like to talk, the date and time, and make sure it's Eastern Standard Time. What's your business and your number one goal? What's your number one challenge right now? What skills or experience do you have? And we're going to do our very best to help answer your questions and help you get started quickly.